I thought we'd done clothes.
Yeah. I don't know where they come from. I've literally not bought another one.
I've been through all my clothes and I haven't bought any more. I've been bought things for me around my birthday, but yeah, you've expanded your clothes collection considerably.
I've not expanded it. I've
compacted it. Right, so
that's dresses and t-shirts and summer clothes and dungarees and stuff.
Okay, so that's going to fit where?
In the box.
Oh, so this is your spare box.
This is my stairs box, yeah.
Yeah.
That goes in there.
We're each allowed a box. So I've got like toolbox, and then I've got like a camping box, like outdoor stove, stuff like that. And then I've got a spare box, and I'm using my spare box for more gadgets.
Obviously.
That's more important to me because the two cupboards I've got for clothes are more than sufficient for me. I mean, I wear the same stuff most of the time anyway, so I don't smell. I just kind of, change them, but have a
He's got the same. Rotation. He's got two of everything. He's literally got two in every colour. Because most of the stuff.
Yeah, I've got about
two of
10. So I've got 5 styles.
Yeah.
And then
and different colours
in each
it's
one.
It's so funny. I keep telling him, it's like, you had blue on yesterday, sweetie. Wear purple today.
But then they compact really well.
Yeah, they do.
So they like roll up into nothing, don't they? So
yeah.
Whereas you're choosing in your spare box, which I thought your spare box was gym gear.
Look, this is.
Oh, so you can have gym gear as well, including your gym weights and stuff like that.
Oh, God.
Your kettlebell and stuff.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right then.
Yeah. So, yeah. What I said was, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything in the van that I think I'm going to put in the van. So, garage stuff, tool stuff, gadget stuff and clothes. Everything of mine personally that I need in the van. Then I'll probably go, where's it all going to go? And then what I'll do is I'll decide to probably pull it all out of the van and then go through it all again to actually work out what I need to have in the van. So that's my plan anyway. I think Mandy needs the same kind of plan.
How dare you?
I think you do.
How dare you?
I think you need that kind of plan. I think you need to pack everything and then repack everything. Oh, Saved by the Bell. This is my office. Now, obviously, you guys know if you go watch Gadget John, I'll link it now to an office tour video. And you can see what it used to be like. And this is what it is now. So, yeah. That so far is our storage, because we're having a storage container thing. Small storage area, and that's it so far. Yeah, everything that's kind of like there so far is going in the storage container. And that's what Gadget John's been reduced to. A folding camping table, my laptop, my cameras are on charge, and ultimately that's me done. So that's my gadget box. Obviously I've got my bag, documents. I've got to somehow fit all those in, which are all my spare bits and bobs like cables and stuff like that. So yeah, it's going to be fun. But it's weird to see that, I mean, like, you guys know by now, we live in a 4-bedroom detached house. And we filled every corner of this 4-bedroom detached house quite well, including the loft and the garage. So for us to now actually kind of like go through all that and change it into a 6 metre by 1.5 metre, 2 metre box, that's significant. But you know the weird thing is, I can honestly say, hand on my heart, I can honestly say that I still think I've got more than what I need. In fact, I know I've got more than what I need. And doesn't that sound like incredulous to think that of a 4-bedroom detached house with, like you say, garage, loft space, garden space, all that kind of stuff, that when we go and live in that little box that's just out there, when we go and live in that little box that's just out there, we'll still have everything that we need. So I think we've got, how many days now? 12 days left. So that's less than 2 weeks and we've got to be out of here. Fingers crossed that is, by the way. Because the people at the bottom of the chain are still having searches done as well. So 2 weeks could be a tough call for them. But kind of all done now, really. This is all just, it's all just ready for storage. Got a couple of things on the walls to get rid of. Got the gadget sign, which is going to go in the van because it's USB. So that's quite cool. Take that down. Everything else has come down, leaving them up. That's my current workstation where everything happens, where the magic's made. And then, like I say, everything else, storage. I think Mandy's not done anything yet in her room. A little bit, and she's going through stuff, making some last minute things. I think at the moment she's making, the LPG gas adapters for Europe. She's making a little pocket thing for them to go in there. So, and then as soon as she's done with that, that's all going to go. And then bookcase, Facebook Marketplace, something. We got the mattress out the van as well because it should have been the same exact model that we have in our bed here. So what we're going to do, because Mandy's convinced it isn't and I bought the wrong one, because it's obviously my fault. So we're going to get this one on the bed, take the other mattress off and sleep on it at night and see if it feels any different. We'll see. So I'm nearly done with the van. Just a couple of little tweaks to what I've done already just to finish it off. And then we're going to start packing it up. So we're doing the bug out show at the end of the month. And we're going to be going there. And obviously by then, theoretically, everything that's going to come on the van with the bug out show is everything that's going to be coming with us in the van, because that's the only time really we're going to get a chance to actually test it all out. So that gives us 12 days. So you just realised 12 days to go, yeah?
Yeah.
So in 12 days, we've got to pack the house up and pack the van up, because in 12 days we need to go to this event with the thing in mind that that's it. To go. Yeah. So we've got to pack the house up. I understand all this that you're doing now is all for packing and charity shop and all that kind of stuff.
Oh, this is charity shop. It's a couple of storage boxes. So
and there's some more boxes in the garage, isn't there, as well?
Yeah, we need to have a sort through them to find out which, because that was supposed to be car boot boxes.
We
missed the car boot season with them. So there's some stuff that I'd try and get a quid off someone for, but I wouldn't give to a charity shop. So I just have to have a bit of a sort of thing. I know they do it themselves, and I don't know whether...
I think just give it them.
Let them decide.
Because the unfortunate thing is you either give it them or we bin them.
But there's nothing broken, and there's nothing stained. It's not tatted anyway, so I suppose that might...
Well, some of it might be tat.
Well, I like tat. I've been buying it my entire life. So yeah, but I mean, there's a lot to do. So yeah, but yeah, we need to get all the stuff back in the van that we took out to do the moving stuff the other day to see how many.
And we need to do the mattress and all that as well.
Yeah, because we need to see how many of those boxes.
Yeah, that we can fit in.
We can fit in, because if there's another spare one, then I can put clothes in it.
So the big difference is tomorrow. We're going to go and sign up for the storage unit and take stuff there. Because I kind of want by this time next weekend. It's Saturday, by the way. You're watching this video tomorrow, Sunday.
Yeah.
Because we've got nothing else going on for making videos. So I thought I'd do this little special just so you know. If you don't hear from us for a week, you know what's going on.
Yeah.
Because this time next weekend, this place needs to be empty. Really.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's ready to go then, aren't we?
So we've been hitting Facebook Marketplace today, which has been
quite a few
good
things
experiences so far. 3 things just gone
straight away, no issues.
No issues, so that's really good.
And then same again next week, furniture wise and stuff. Maybe another trip in the week to the storage place one night or something to get more stuff out of the way.
Yeah.
And then, like I say, pack the van. And that should be it. So I know it sounds like 12 days and we're pushing it, but 12 days is enough, I think.
Yeah.
It just sounds scary.
Because it is, isn't it?
Well, it's a big change in 12 days, but yeah. So there you go. Next time you see us,
We might not. Well,
hopefully, fingers crossed, if it all goes to plan, we won't have a house.
yeah. Be nice.
Yeah. Well, see you soon.
See you guys.
Bye.